Today we are covering 5 dirt-cheap Japanese cars that refuse to die, backed by hard data from RepairPal and real ownership records. The car at number 3 is the one most buyers walk past on their way to pay thousands more for the obvious choice. And the one at number 1 is a name most people forgot existed, and it is still running. Number 5. The Mazda 2, 2011 through 2014. Mazda sold it in America for just 4 years, and the used car world mostly forgot it existed. The reliability data did not. A college student in Austin needed something cheap and reliable. His mechanic brother had one answer: stop chasing the obvious names and find a Mazda 2. He bought a 2012 Mazda 2 Sport with 61,000 miles for $4,100. 3 years later, he is at 144,000 miles. Total unscheduled repairs, $220. His roommate bought a 2013 Sentra for $6,800, same era. 2 repairs before 115,000 miles. $1,400 he did not budget for. Go for the 2011 through 2014 Sport trim with the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and either the 5-speed manual or the 4-speed automatic. No turbo and no CVT. A conventional engine Mazda had been refining for years, simple, proven, and documented past 200,000 miles in regular owner hands. RepairPal scores the Mazda 2 4.5 out of 5, ranked 3rd out of 21 subcompact cars. Average annual repair cost is $449. Severe repair probability, just 7% compared to 11% for the class. Clean examples run from $3,500 to $6,000. Forgotten nameplate, proven engineering. Most buyers do not know to look for it, and the sellers often do not know what they have. Here's the honest part. Mazda only sold the 2 in America from 2011 through 2014. You may need to search wider than usual. Some high-mileage examples have a timing chain tensioner that rattles on cold start. Buying checklist. 1. On cold start, listen during the first 15 seconds. A rhythmic metallic rattle that persists after warm-up means the tensioner needs attention. Budget $400 to $600. A rattle that disappears quickly is normal. 2. Test every power window and run the air conditioning on full cold for 5 minutes. Slow or grinding windows and weak or warm air are both at least $500 to repair. 3. On automatic examples, feel for smooth, confident shifts. Any hesitation or delay between gears is a reason to walk away. Maintenance tip: use full synthetic oil immediately on any example you buy. The timing chain tensioner relies on correct oil pressure, and conventional oil is the single most common cause of early chain noise on this engine. Number 4. The Honda Civic, 2006 through 2011. Everyone knows the Honda Civic. What most people do not know is that this generation has already proven it can run past 200,000 miles on basic maintenance. Buyers keep walking past it and paying a premium for a newer model. A buyer in Ohio needed a replacement for his worn-out Camry. His son kept landing on the same answer: a 2008 Civic LX with 94,000 miles for $5,200. 4 years later, the car had 187,000 miles. Total unscheduled repairs were $410. Go for the 2006 through 2011 LX or EX trim with the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder and either the 5-speed manual or the 5-speed automatic. The same 1.8-liter 4-cylinder that Honda put in millions of Civics before anyone started asking for turbos. No complexity, just a proven engine with a long track record. RepairPal scores the Civic 4.5 out of 5, ranked 3rd out of 36 compact cars. Average annual repair cost is $368, $158 below the class average. Clean examples run $4,500 to $7,500. Here's the honest part. The 2006 through 2009 models had a known cracked engine block issue, so paying for a pre-purchase inspection is worth every dollar. All 2006 through 2011 Civics also fall under the Takata airbag recall. Run the VIN through Honda's recall portal and confirm it's been completed. Buying checklist. First, pull the dipstick on a warm engine. Oil should be amber and at or near full. Milky or frothy oil means coolant contamination. Walk away. Second, at idle with the wheel turned to full lock, listen for groaning from the power steering pump. A groan means the pump is failing. Budget $300 to $500 to replace it. Third, feel for smooth shifts through every gear. Maintenance tip: change the oil immediately and cut the previous owner's service interval in half.
That habit is the difference between a 150,000-mile Civic and a 300,000-mile one.
If this kind of information saves you from an expensive mistake, subscribe. We find the cars the market forgot to price correctly. Number 3, Mazda 6 from 2010 through 2016. Most buyers walk straight to the Camry or the Accord. The Mazda 6 sits on the same lot, costs $2,000 to $4,000 less, drives better than both, and has a reliability record that matches cars costing thousands more. A project manager in Denver spent 3 weeks chasing a clean 2013 Accord. Her mechanic pulled up a 2012 Mazda 6 Grand Touring with 81,000 miles for $5,400. She bought it. Her coworker bought the Accord for $8,200. 18 months later, the Accord needed a power steering rack, costing $1,400. The Mazda 6 needed an oxygen sensor, costing $180. Go for the Sport or Touring trim from 2010 through 2016 with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and the 6-speed automatic. No turbo, no supercharger, no hybrid complexity. It is a conventional 4-cylinder proven across hundreds of thousands of miles. The engineering is straightforward, which is exactly why it lasts. RepairPal scores the Mazda 6 4 out of 5, ranked 6th out of 24 midsize cars. Average annual repair cost is $481, $45 below the class average. Clean examples run from $4,500 to $8,000. $3,000 less to buy, $45 less per year to maintain. The only thing it is missing is a name people recognize, and the price reflects that. Here is the honest part: avoid the 2009 model. It has documented reliability issues. Start at 2010. Some owners report minor interior rattles on high-mileage examples. It does not affect reliability but is worth knowing. Checklist for buying. First, confirm the model year is 2010 or later. Second, listen for dashboard rattles on rough pavement. Third, confirm the 6-speed automatic shifts cleanly through every gear. Maintenance tip: the Sky active engine uses direct injection. Carbon buildup on intake valves is accelerated by dirty oil. Change the oil immediately on any high-mileage example and stay on top of it going forward. Number 2, the Toyota Yaris, 2011 through 2018. The Yaris gets dismissed the moment someone sees it. Too small, too basic. RepairPal ranked it the single most reliable subcompact car out of 21 models and gave it the lowest annual repair cost of any car on this list. The market laughed at it. The data did not. A first-year nurse in Atlanta had a $5,000 budget and kept missing out on every Corolla worth buying, too expensive or already sold.
Then she found a 2011 Yaris LE
with 88,000 miles for $4,800. She now has 196,000 miles on it. Total unscheduled repairs, $260. The last Corolla she almost bought had 130,000 miles and was asking $7,100, $3,000 more, 40,000 more miles. Go for the 2011 through 2018 base or LE trim with the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and either the 5-speed manual or the 4-speed automatic. Avoid 2007 through 2010 models because they had Takata airbag issues and automatic transmission complaints that the 2011 and newer models do not have. RepairPal scores the Yaris 4.5 out of 5, ranked first out of 21 subcompact cars. Average annual repair cost is $333, the lowest on this list. Severe repair probability is just 6%, half the class average. Clean examples run from $3,500 to $6,500. Here's the honest part: the Yaris is genuinely small, a 1 or 2 person daily driver. If you regularly carry 3 or 4 adults, this is not the car. The 4-speed automatic can feel sluggish at highway speeds, and the manual is the better long-term choice. choice. Buying checklist. 1. Confirm the model year is 2011 or later. 2.
Run the VIN through Toyota's recall portal.
2011 through 2016 models had a power window switch recall. 3. Feel for smooth shifts on the test drive. The automatic should never hesitate or clunk. Maintenance tip. Change the transmission fluid before your first 1,000 miles of ownership. Most sellers skip it. Fresh fluid costs $80 and protects a transmission Toyota built to last the life of the car. Number 1. The Toyota Echo 2000 through 2005. Toyota built the Echo to be ignored. Plain, narrow, odd-looking. Automotive critics called it one of the strangest designs Toyota ever produced. Buyers walked past it for the Corolla. The used market forgot it existed. The Echo did not care. It just kept running. A contractor in Florida bought a 2003 Echo with 140,000 miles for $2,800, the only car in his budget with a clean title and documented service history. 6 years later, he is at 241,000 miles. Total unscheduled repairs were $180 for a coolant temperature sensor. Go for the 2000 through 2005 base trim with the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder and either the 5-speed manual or the 4-speed automatic. This is the same engine family that powered the early Yaris and Corolla, timing chain equipped and documented past 300,000 miles in regular owner hands. Decades of real owner records show annual maintenance costs among the lowest of any car on this list. Clean examples run $2,500 to $5,000. Most buyers do not even know to look for this car, which is the entire reason it is still this cheap. Here is the honest part. The Echo is at least 20 years old. You are buying the maintenance history as much as the car. Service records are not optional, they are the whole decision. Buying checklist. 1. No records, no purchase. 2. Pull the dipstick on a warm engine and check for clean oil at the correct level. 3. On a cold start, listen for any ticking from the top of the engine in the first 30 seconds. Ticking that persists means valve train wear. Walk away or budget $500 to $1,000 for the repair. Maintenance tip. Before you drive it home, change the oil, the coolant, and the transmission fluid. On a 20-year-old car, fresh fluids cost less than a single diagnostic appointment. 5 cars. 5 completely different stories. One thing they share is that the repair bills are almost nothing. Not because they got lucky. They were built simply and priced by a market that forgot to look underneath the hood. If this saved you from overpaying for the obvious choice, subscribe. We find the cars the market forgot to charge full price for.